This is my long-term perspective market forecast, right? So we're starting from the 3-month time frame. The 3-month time frame actually hit the CRT goal, which was this CRT. How come we're not counting this as a CRT? Because this CRT, as Trump won the election, every other things that go against the US dollar should be going down, right? So in this case, we'll be using this CRT. Got the CRT range high. So our objective goal was to make that, our objective goal to go to the low, right? Which was basically right over here. And now, since we got 1 month and 7 days left until this 3-month candle ends, we're gonna go to the monthly for more information. The monthly time frame, we have a daily range. How do we have a daily range? We are right over here, broke out the low, super out the low, and super out the high, super another high, super another high, eventually making an actual high here. So daily range from here to here. This is premium, this is discount, right? So everything from the top is discount, premium, so we're going to be selling, and here we're going to be buying, right? So now what's the next thing? What's the next step to my long-term perspective on my market forecast is very simple, right? And after the daily range, what we're going to do is, since in this case we're bullish, because since the market, you can see right over here. Go back in time. Market looks like it's at a huge time frame key level. So above this, right, this is the last high before this market going back to the upside, right? So this is the one that did a market section shift, or the last high before hitting the key level. So if the market goes above this, we're expecting higher prices, right? So the market section shift, you can see market's breaking highs, rejected low, straight away pushed it above it, came back down, low time from sell to soup, rejected it, push up, close above the high. Eventually, right over here, high time frame key level got hit. Now, eventually broke to this level. Now expecting lower prices. So this could definitely go back to the upside. But overall, we're bullish, right? We're overall bullish. Since the only reason we use the CRT is because the 3-month CRT is because the election. But now you can see definitely some more higher movements. So what I'm looking for next, as we are in this fair value gap, we're in discount fair value gap, right? And it looks like this market is creating a huge candle here, a huge CRT. We could use as our market. We could use this as our way of bias. You can see the same thing here. You can see this guy used as our bias and market push down, right? So we could use this as our CRT to push price up, so we can have a whole month, 2 months, 3 months of cleared bias to the upside, right? So there's a fair value gap here. So I'm waiting for the next 4 days for this candle to close, so we can have a CRT here. Then I'm looking for the market to push back down, boom, and eventually from here look for higher prices here, right? So now, since we know our monthly time frame, we're in a discount fair value gap. I'm waiting for this monthly candle to end. I'm waiting for the market to push back down here, create the CRT to the soup. Eventually, we're gonna see higher prices from here, and we're discount fair value gap, annual daily range, right? And overall, our structure is overall bullish, right? Now let's go to the weekly time frame for more insights. On the weekly time frame, we're in a fair value gap here. We in a weekly time frame, we do have this, seeing the daily rate high, news low. You can see right over here on the weekly time frame. Right above the weekly time frame, we have a premium auto block. The body is a discount, and it's also liquidity discount. So we could definitely see some lower prices here, and eventually pushing back up from this metal line, and it's also liquid from here. But as I said right over here, using the if-then principle for this upcoming week, I am bearish. How come am I bearish? Why am I bearish? Is very simple. It's just really because our short-term perspective for the monthly time frame is to go down here, eventually go up, right? So once this is going to be our short-term drawn liquidity, long-term drawn liquidity is here, right? So long-term drawn liquidity, short-term drawn liquidity, right? So short-term drawn liquidity is over here, long-term drawn liquidity is here, right? Because market needs to go push down here, eventually going back up here. You wouldn't make sense for the market to go all the way up here and go back down, right? That's too much, right? So our short-term perspective is to go to that CRT monthly low. So for this upcoming week, currently, I'm expecting lower prices for the downside right over here until this candle ends. After this candle ends next week, next couple of weeks, you can see how the market goes from there on. But till then, we're right over here, right? So on the weekly time frame, using the if-then principle, if close below, we're expecting lower prices the previous week. right over here. Close previous week closed below the other previous week, so we're expecting lower prices to this newly previous week low. So right over here is our drawn liquidity. Short-term perspective, but monthly we're overall bullish. But short-term perspective, we want to be going to the CRT low on the monthly time frame. So market needs to go back down here. We only have 4 days to close, so this should definitely be happening. Then let's go to the daily time frame. Using the same thing, if they're principle, if close below the previous week, previous day, lower prices, boom, and we just soup out the previous day's high, so we could do a wick above, and that is considered a lower price movement, right? So right over here, we're looking for lower prices. Today, this week, I'm probably expecting like not too much of a move, but let's go to the economic calendar and see how the economic calendar is real quick. As I saw this week, consumer confidence on Tuesday, Monday no news. Wednesday is FOMC meeting, but not the conference. But it is overall a high volatility news. But we could definitely see Wednesday being a important day that can tell us the weekly profile, right? We could see a Wednesday expansion profile to the upside or downside, right? All depending. So now, since we got our daily, we're weekly perspective, we're bearish on the short term and a monthly time frame. Short term perspective and a monthly time frame, we're bearish. Long term perspective, we're overall bullish, right? But short term, we're bearish and we're going back. So market needs to pull back down before going back up, right? Because market can't just go up, right? The short term perspective and a monthly time frame, we're bearish. Long term perspective and a monthly time in a long term perspective, we're bullish. Weekly term perspective, we're bearish. Daily, we're bearish, right? Now let's go to our 4-hour time frame and to see our market structure shift here, right? See our advanced market structure. Market is constantly rejecting highs, breaking lows, rejecting high, broke the low, rejected high, low time for total soup, broke the low, sweep, low is broken, sweep, boom. Eventually you can see soup it out, push down, soup it out one more time, push down. So market's constantly breaking, rejecting highs, breaking lows, we're bearish. So how can we go back to a bullish state? Is if we break through this, right? So right now I'm still expecting lower prices. All this candle right up here does not intimidate me, because you can see this candle I don't really care about. That's a false, false market structure shift, because the last high prior to touching this high time frame key level, which is what this is the last high before touching it. If market goes above this high, then I could essentially see the emerging market breaking through lows, breaking highs, right? We're going here, going up, boom, breaking lows, boom, boom, right? You could probably see that. But as of right now, we're bearish until the market breaks above this one right here, closes above that one, because this is right here is not our market shift, because market comes to breaking highs, and this is the last up closing candle before last up closing candle that took out the two that hit the high term key level, right? So this is 4-hour order block right here, 4-hour not order block, 4-hour fair value gap. And yeah, we could also see this as being as a market maker models. You can see the daily time frame, original consolidation, another consolidation, another one, right? So you can see a daily MXM, but we do definitely want to see a lower price movement, because an MXM market is a total soup again, right? Because market the MXM is kind of different, right? We got accumulation number 1, number 2, number 3. Market usually needs to go back down, took out the low. It's basically a CRT, right? It's basically CRT, right? Take out the low, eventually push up here, right? And go targeting this high, accumulation, and retesting them, boom, retesting them, going high like that right there, right? But our long-term perspective is definitely to this objective right here, right? To the monthly right over there. But yeah, thank you for watching. This is my long-term perspective for this week. I'm overall bearish. For the day, I'm overall bearish. But yeah, and yeah, I'm expecting lower prices. As you know, this week is probably gonna my primary focus for this week is just to control emotions, take action. But yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you guys later.